Hey guys, welcome back to another JavaScript programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about how to call an API in JavaScript. So over here I just have an API which just returns a random fact every time it's called. So I'm going to go over to here and create a new folder, and I'm just going to call this APIs. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to call a API inside of JavaScript, and it's very simple using the inbuilt JavaScript fetch function. So yeah, let's just link this there, source. Okay, so first thing you actually want to do is I'm just going to copy this API so that it's clear. So let's just say this, and actually let's create a URL. So const URL is equal to this. Oh, let me copy this again. Is equal to this. So this is the URL which we want to fetch our data from. So it's pretty simple. All we got to do is use the fetch method or function, and the first parameter is going to be the URL string of what we want. And now the second parameter is actually going to be our configuration. So there's a lot of different types of things you can put inside of here, but the main things are going to be like, you know, your headers, and then inside of here it's just going to be key value pairs with dictionaries, and you might also have things like params, or not params, what's the other one? You can have things like the method. So method, and this could be like post or get, and it's not really that important, which is why it's an optional parameter. But yeah, so what this is going to do is actually return a promise. So we can do .then, and then inside of here we can get the response like that. And now if we just console.log this response, you'll see, do not want to save that, save that actually. And yeah, so if we console.log this, not here though, let me just go to our new one over there. So yeah, you can see that we're not actually getting our full we are getting our full response, but we're not getting this, which what we want. We're actually getting a HTTP response. And what you can do is you can actually just go into here and go into here, but you can see that it's actually nowhere to be seen. Like, the actual data which we want is nowhere to be seen. So to actually get that, we need to unwrap the response and get its data. So let's do this, and we need to get its JSON like that. And if I console.log this, we should actually see a bit of an improvement. We get the result, and then okay, yeah, so if we go to here, you can see the result, and we actually have it. But you'll notice if we try and access this result, then it's going to give us undefined, and that's because we need to give this time to pass it. So we're actually going to need another then statement. Let's just do response.json.then, and inside of here let's take in a new argument. Let's just call this data, and with this data it's going to be in JSON format, and we can actually just console.log this. So if we go to here, you can see that now we actually have all of our data, and if we want to get the actual text, we can just do data.text, and see it actually gives us all of this. So yeah, that's basically how you use APIs in JavaScript. You can change this to whatever you want, add headers, and yeah, the main thing is this: you need to make sure you're actually unwrapping your response and then converting it to JSON, then getting the data from that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.